pillow. I'm too short.
I just wanted to pop in here really quick and say I chew gum really obnoxiously, so I'm very sorry if you find it distracting. Hi. Just ignore that and try not to look at my mouth when I'm chewing. I'm so sorry.
Okay, I think I'm ready. Let me just make sure that this is on. Hello? Oh, good. Okay, you can hear everything. Can you hear me?
I don't know. Can we? Yes, we hear you.
First off, I can't believe I'm doing this video. I never thought that this day would come, and I'm probably gonna hate this after, so you know it's fine. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So, if you're new here, my name is Caroline, and yeah, you should subscribe and join the Man Fam. So, today, I'm going to be unboxing. Wait, I think I have this on backwards. Hold on. I'm going to be unboxing the new, or actually, I don't even think this is new, but we're just gonna pretend like it is. The 13-inch MacBook Pro. So, I actually got this for Christmas. Very thankful and very blessed to be able to receive this. So, thank you, Mom and Dad. Love ya. This is what it looks like, and we just picked it up today, but I wanted to save this for this video. Without further ado, let's get into it. Also, I really hope that this works, because that would be a whole waste of a video. I don't really know how to do this. So we got some scissors. How do you do this? Oh, I'm probably do it like this. Got it. I'm so bad at this, y'all. That was a good one. I'm so ready for this. What the heck? Also, shop link down below for Man Fam merch. Okay. Oh. What the fish? Alright guys, so this is what she looks like. I'm already in love, so we're just gonna start putting this together. Alright, so I'm finished with the laptop portion. I'm gonna go into detail, not doing the ASMR of what came in the box. So the box basically looks like this, and the laptop sat on top of it. And first we have this little packet thing. I think there's stickers and probably the manual. Okay, so yeah, basically it just has everything that the laptop offers, and it talks about it. And then they gave me 2 Apple stickers. I think they do that with like every purchase that you make. Underneath that is the cube, which is the charger. That basically just looks like this. This would be good for the ASMR. Basically just looks like this. My other laptop, the cube is a lot smaller. And then it comes with the wire as well. Oh, this is a different charger. Wow. This is like so different from my other one. All right, so the wire looks like this. Both ends, I guess, have this on it. I really like this laptop, and I'm so excited that I was able to receive this for Christmas. So thank you again, Mom and Dad. If you guys liked today's video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. And if you didn't, don't do anything. I love y'all so much, and have a great rest of your day.
Santa, tell me a merry little jingle bell, jingle bell, sung by a choir. With you, Dasher, Dancer, and it's beginning to look a lot like Christmas.